There are a lot of mailing services for different countries, locations, purposes, etc. We use SendPulse. It is an email marketing service and a direct marketing service. SendPulse is great for global markets. There are global companies and they have a lot of helpful features. With SendPulse, you can send email messages, push messages, and they have chatbots for WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, CRM system, landing pages, etc. SendPulse is a marketing intelligence platform that helps us communicate through email and other direct marketing tools. There are a lot of other platforms you can use as well, like MailChimp, Hootsuite, etc. Here is an example of a mailing service platform. This is the SendPulse mailing service that I mentioned earlier. This is the interface of the email messaging tool. Here we have the All Mailing List section. To create a new mailing list, you click the New Mailing List button. Now, give it a name, New List 1 for example. Then you can add contacts manually, upload a file with contacts, or import contacts from a destination. Let's write down my personal email address. The next tab is the My Campaign tab. Here you can see all our email campaigns and their aggregated statistics. On top, we have emails sent, email delivered, emails opened, how many clicks our emails received, also known as a click-through rate, unsubscribers and errors. These are the subjects of our emails, but they are all written in Russian. Each email has its own statistics such as the mailing list, amount of contacts, number of emails delivered, how many emails opened, also known as open rate, and how many clicks for an email. To create a campaign, click Create Campaign. Now you need to select the mailing list. Here the sender email address and sender name. Write down the subject line of your email, for example. Get 2 for the price of 1 and the Black Friday sale. You can also add variables like a name. For instance, if the name of the user is unknown, you can write Dear Friend instead. If you want, you can also add an emoji. Click Next. You can choose your own email templates, create a new one, or choose ready-made templates from featured ones. Let's create a new one. Choose Basic. In the preview text that is seen in the inbox, write the text only 2 days until the big Black Friday sale. In the company section, download a file of your logo from the right-hand sidebar. We can select an image that was downloaded earlier or drag and drop. Here you write and edit your text. Black Friday sale, get 2 for the price of 1. From the left bar, you can drag and drop elements like text, pictures, buttons, separators, videos, and social links. When you click on a button in the right bar, you can change the button text, add a link, or change the setup color, style, size, and alignment. Let's write Buy Now, link to udemy.com, color red, and button size full width. This is an additional setting button for further customization. By clicking the Additional Settings button, you have variables that you can change, such as if you want your contacts automatically displayed. And then you have social links. In the right bar, put links to your social media. In the footer, you have the Unsubscribe section. Click Preview to see your email. If you are not satisfied, click Editor and keep editing your email. If everything is okay, click Save and Continue. It shows that I did not add some information, but continue anyway. This is just practice. You can see your message content and pre-header. You can still edit the big Black Friday sale text if you wish. You can also attach a file, but I do not want to, so now I click Next. Now you need to set up campaign parameters. You can check what statistic you want to collect. Now configure the unsubscribe page and the language of the unsubscribe page. Click Next. You are now in the preview mode. Check everything and set the sending time to now or set it for a future time and date. You can also choose to resend the email to those who did not open it. You can change the subject line if needed and choose the date and time. Click Start to send out emails. You can now see it is sent and waiting for delivery status. The next tab is Email Templates. You can create your own template in the Personal tab or customize templates in the Template library. You also have an Image Manager where you can upload your images. The template helps you save time but not creating your emails from scratch. Your main elements will be set like layout, logo, social links, etc. In the Automation section, you can create your trigger emails chains. Subscription Forms tab. This is where you can create a subscription forms to automate the subscription process of your newsletters. Choose one of the 4 forms and start designing your form or choose a pre-designed one. I will select the second from the left in the first row. Click Create, then choose where the mailing list contacts of new subscribers will be located. Then go to the subscription form builder. You can see your subscription form and edit elements. I want to change the color of the button. Like in email builder, you can add text and images. You need to add the website address where the form will be presented. After you add your domain, click Save and you will get the code that you need to add to your website. This is the service settings and it's very important. There is private information, that's why I will not show you this tab. And lastly, the price and plans tab. As I said before, there are a lot of different email mailing services and SendPulse is one of the best. Okay, let's pause for a second. Please message me about how I can make my course better. You can write a personal message to me or express your concerns in the Q&A section.